Everyone. So today we are going to work with the illustrations, icons, and those fancy icons we found on the home screen. And let's get started. I copied my screen here, and there are plenty of ways you can go about it. You can select a shape, uh, closed shape, placed it here, and mark all these with some color like this so you can identify, or maybe just look at an icon, go find a website where you can find the icons and simply download it in svg. You probably won't be able to find 100% same icons. You can still try to be closer to the design or style they are using, and of course the sizing. So what I'm going to do is, um the other way I can just go and use the pencil to highlight all the icons, and just, or maybe make a list out of them what icons I need, and find a website and download them. There are plenty of Figma plugins for the icons too, for these icons, UI icons. For these illustrations you can use different kind of websites. I am going to give you a quick tip for the practice in this session. But yep, so once you're done highlighting, what you're going to do is find a website. So I went on this website and found all these icons which kind of looked similar, and I brought them here. So this section was brought from there. Then I found the logos that were used in the design. I'll quickly show you where. So DoorDash logo is used here, and another version of it is being used here. I could find this one in SVG, but this one came in PNG, so I just brought that in good, uh, what do you say, good quality, and resized it so it is pretty clear and not very pixelated. Always try to find SVG file for the icons and the illustrations. So anyways, so one other thing I did is to simply rename them. So whatever is the icon's name, let's say the order, this for this one is the order. I added the word icon and slash behind it. It will help us better organize the items in this file. And some of our icons were used in the filled version, so I brought them in the filled version. You see, these are the outline version, and here is the fun part. So what I did is I just hit T on the keyboard, and this, press this. I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna type whatever word that I'm looking for. So I'm looking for uh, illustration or icon for meat. I'm just gonna type that. So you see, Figma has this option to add emojis. So they kind of look of the same style. They have the same style. I'm gonna just paste it right here so you can see. So the styling is same. We just probably need to find more reasonable and same kind of icons. So I can just resize and see which size works fine with it. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm just gonna find and paste these emoji. I'm gonna use these emojis for this tutorial purpose, but you are more than welcome to go find things, icons on or illustrations for different websites, and just make sure they are in good quality of and of or same styling, means not different and random colors. And also they come in svg, prefer that. Or maybe if you are unable to find svg, you can still choose to go with, for your personal projects only, you can choose to go with png. But make sure, just try your best to find svg. So I have uh, pasted all of these icons in emoji form here, and of course I brought these three which were being used in this screenshot of mine, and now I'm going to convert them into uh, a component. Okay, first what I'm going to do is just select them and apply my color styling on them. So for now I'm just going to go with this. This doesn't need to be styled because they come in colors, and this was slightly gray, so I am going to use this color. And this logo, we already had the primary color picked. This one, it's PNG, we can apply any color. And yep, this is done. Now we are just gonna go save. So we can go and click this. If we have renamed the file this reasonably, we can just click this and create a component, or we can just select all of them, unselect this one, and just press here. Now we see there is a drop down right next to the icon, and there are two more options: create multiple components and create component set. We want this to be a we want all of them to be separate components. So I'm doing selecting create multiple components. And of course, just to be clear that I am using the icons in 20 by 24 by 24 by size. If needed, we can resize them, but for now this was the size I found reasonable for the screens. I'm gonna go do same here, multiple components. We probably shouldn't make these as components because these are emojis. These should be, oh no, component, multiple components. And this is logo. This is also going to be a component. And for this I will cover the topic how we can save the images in our coming videos. And yes, this is how we are just done with the icons.